creating magic. Would like to join on it?
How's he doing this? What? Shut up, man! What?
Wow! Wasn't it amazing? It was so amazing. I just loved it. However, I really don't know how to do it. But you know what? I know something really magical. I know magic techniques to create a beautiful life. Would you like to learn with me? If yes, this is the channel for you. Welcome, dearies. Well, my name is Gurpreet. You can say me Precious Preet as well. And on World Transformational Day, I would like to launch my channel as how to create a beautiful life. Well, I would like to dedicate this channel to my wonderful parents. It's because of them only I got inspired to learn about all these concepts. And I would like to contribute this channel to my wonderful and super duper amazing friend BK too. With his help only, I got to learn about all these magic techniques. Uh, so he has a very big contribution in my life in making me the who I am right now. And with his help, I'm able to create a very beautiful, sorted, extremely easy, simple, and so much more beautiful day by day. It's getting so much more beautiful day by day. This kind of life I'm creating. So I am infinitely grateful to him. More I say about him, the less it would be. All I can say is thank you and love you infinitely, PK, for whatever you have done for me. I'm so grateful to you. Okay, so and basically, by creating this channel, I would like to contribute in the world in terms of gifting you all with a wonderful treasure. Like, in case if somebody is really happy, what would they give you? They would like to give you some kind of expensive gift, right? So instead of expensive gift, I want to give you the key of treasure through which you can get anything which you want in your life, anything whatever you desire, and you can create a magical and beautiful life, because beautiful life has different meaning for different people as per their own choices and liking. So I want everybody to create a beautiful life as per their own choice, And with the help of this channel, I'm going to share all my learnings in depth, step by step, where I'm going to share all the magical techniques and every concept in detail, right? And what all other things which you're going to learn in this channel are basically secrets of the universe, one thing, as how things occur in the universe, and whatever, these magic techniques of universe are, secrets of universe are. Trust me, they are constant for everybody. So once you learn that and you practice that, you can get the desired result the way I am getting. Apart from that, we're going to learn who we are in real. We generally treat ourselves very ordinary, but that's not what we are. We are extremely powerful and magical. And whatever we are, I'm going to share in detail, in depth, okay? Apart from that, what are hidden magical powers which create the life, we are already living right now, and how can we create the desired one? Why we are living the life we are living? Like, there are certain people who are living a very beautiful life, full of fun, full of magic, full of everything, whatever they desire. And there are some people who are sad, who are not living the life which they really want to live. So, what is the reason for that? How they are creating that? It's all within us, trust me. And the best part about this channel and videos within it would be that by, taking control of yourself and without interacting with anybody else about, what they have to do, you can create all the desired changes and you can see the changes in your external world. So this is the power of this channel, okay? Apart from that, it would also include, the connection in between mind, body, spirit, and universe, and magical powers. And we'll also come to know how, all these things, when get all together, they help us in creating the desired life and in getting rid of the undesired one. So in case if you are the one who would like to create a beautiful life, sparkling life of your own choice, this is the channel for you. Subscribe it, like it, and wait for the next video. And otherwise also, my blessings and love is with everybody. So it's like, once you start having these powers, it's kind of, having Aladdin ka genie within you. I mean with you, not within you. It's having Aladdin ka jinn with you, who is manifesting all your orders. And in this case, genie would not be present. Whatever you want to think within you. Like in my case, even if I think something, it's in my mind only. I didn't say anybody else what I want, and still, I see it manifested. And the exact same things, they come to me on their own. I mean, so in case if you want to create that sort of beautiful life wherein, you want to have fun, beauty, and everything, whatever you want to have in your life, should drift to you automatically, effortlessly, in an easy and fun way. Please join us. Welcome aboard. And see you in the next video. Till then, with lots of love, infinite blessings, and light. See ya. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.